Hello, my friends. Welcome to DIY Freeze Dry, where I am showing you how easy it is to freeze dry your own amazing foods at home. Today, we are going with something simple yet delicious. Bananas! So I want to show you a setting on the freeze dryer. I have pre-frozen my bananas on the Harvest Right trays already. And if you have pre-frozen food, you don't need to go down to the full freeze cycle during the freezing part of the process. So initial freeze, I'm just gonna bring this temperature up to 0 degrees. That's the only change I'm gonna make for now. I'm gonna hit save and start. So now we're gonna cool down for 15 minutes and I will get the bananas ready to load. I have some new things to show you. These are the silicone mats that I got from Amazon to help the foods to prevent them from sticking. And then these are the little tray stackers so that we can pre-freeze our foods in the freezer and it takes up less space. We will show you the time lapse of us slicing up the bananas and getting them on our lovely trays. But they are ready to go in the freeze dryer now. We are just waiting for the freeze dryer to cool down. Okay, we got to our 15-minute mark, so we are going to close the drain valve and load up the trays. I am super excited for these. And we are ready to dry. Freeze, then dry. Okay, it is the next day. I set for these to go on an extra long dry time because I knew it was gonna end while we were sleeping. So, the process is complete. We are going to open the drain valve over here. We are going to defrost. We will remove our lovely dried bananas. Okay, let's get these out of the dryer so we can get them bagged up. Super light, no moisture at all. Success! Okay, we're going to bag these up into our Mylar bag with oxygen absorber, and then we are going to save some for our taste test and to just snack on for now. So let's see here. Trying to just get this as flat as possible. the seam. I like to do it twice just to be sure. And there we go. Oh, it's dark back here, but let's just throw it in there. I need to come organize this whole situation at some point, but there we go. Okay, all we have left now is our taste test. We will go find the kids and test them out right away. All right, taste test time. Here's the kiddo. Say hi.
Hi.
What was that?
He did.
Redo. Say hi.
Hi.
Everyone, grab your banana.
Tiny. I'm getting a big one.
1, 2, 3. Stop it, Bria.
I'm trying.
Just put the whole thing in your mouth and chew it. Thumbs up or down. Lincoln isn't my banana lover. Wessie, you haven't even chewed it. Why are you smiling?
Oh.
Chew it.
I'm trying.
Kids are weird. Anyway, I'm gonna try the banana now myself. I think that's so good. It's light and crunchy, but still once you start chewing, you kind of get that banana texture back and it's still super flavorful. I'm loving it.